guys, welcome back to Salvagemasterv video channel for another episode of Lexus Rebuild Part 4. In today's episode we're gonna take out the engine wiring harness. I got the new one, it's currently on the way. But before we start taking the engine wire harness, let's move to the boxes and open the packages that I just received in a couple days. So let's start with the smallest one and work our way up. Alright, this is our fog light. I just noticed it's damaged. I don't know if it's been damaged while it's getting delivered or what, but you can see this tab is moving. It's repairable, but I will ask for a discount or replace. Let's move on. Doesn't look anything damaged, nicely packaged. The holes are plugged. This is the main thing. You don't want those plugs being open so water won't get there and you don't have any rust inside. So I don't know what this package is. It's light, but we'll see. What is it? Okay, this is our windshield washer reservoir. It looks slightly damaged, but I would be able to hit this area up and straighten it out. This is not a big deal, but I'm gonna have to contact the seller because he didn't describe this windshield washer reservoir is slightly damaged. Now let's open the biggest one. This is the lower right side deflector. Yeah, I mean this is brand new parts. They all should be good, right? Here. So I guess they call deflectors. So this is the one I purchased from eBay. This is the right hand. And this is the left hand. So we have both of them now. Okay, this is another deflector, lower left hand. So we already opened up the right hand, this is the left hand. Brand new parts, love opening brand new parts. Yeah, this is our a front bumper absorber. Is it front? Front. I just want to make sure that they didn't mess it up and send me a rear one instead of front one, like they did with the engine cradle.
With an illusion, like a sparrow with broken wings, but now I shine with your reflection on me.
That's what it looks like, but I guess they noticed that they broke one and they put a new one. I guess that's what happened. This is not from our part. Okay, let's open this little box. Let's see what's in it. Oh, those are the corners that goes on the bumper. This is the corner off of the bumper. Not the bumper, it's a grill trim corner that goes over here. I believe this is gonna be grill trim. It says mounting radiator grill. Yep, it is.
Gone, I won't look back. And when I move, there ain't no stopping me. You're pushing me up to the top.
That's it, that's all the pieces. Everything looks good except those two parts that I purchased, the used ones. But new parts looks good. We're done with the opening. Let's move on and get the engine wiring harness off. Alright, first things first, let's get this AC line out.
You cut me loose and set me free. You cut me loose. You make me win every way. Win every way.
While I was taking the AC line out, what I noticed is more damage. As you can show, we have more damage over here. It's a king over here, and over here on the corner, you can see this plastic crack. So let's get this bezel, or I don't know what is it called, windshield cover off, and inspect how big of a kink over here and how much of a need to pull towards the passenger side. More and more surprises. That's what you get with the front end collision vehicle. They are total for a reason, right? So we got this cover off, and as you can see, it's a king over here. This is not a big problem. All we're gonna have to do is just pull it towards the passenger side and a little bit of hammering, and it should be good. Alright, now we can take this wiring out finally. 3 hours of work. That's insane. I think this is the most difficult process I ever done on engine wiring removal. Over here nothing was hard, but it was hard to get 1, 2, 3, 4, about 6 sensors behind. There is not a lot of space, you can't see what's there. All you have to do is just feel it with your fingers and take it out. That's it. We're waiting on the new one to show up. Actually, it's not new, it's used. As soon as it's gonna show up, we're gonna install it. For now, let's put it over here. This is our power carpet. We took the engine wires out. Let's free up this area so I can work over here and easily can access to it everywhere. Alright, I'm done with this side. I moved away ABS system and wiring, so now I have access to work here. I will have to get this engine mount off, but I can't take it out right now because I don't have an engine cradle, otherwise this engine will just drop on the floor. We don't want to do that. This expensive engine, I checked the dealer price. I believe it's $14,000 engine. So we're done for now. Okay, since we don't have a cradle yet because of the junkyard screwed up, we're gonna move on to the doors and take them apart so they would be ready for painting. When all the parts gonna come in, the job will just gonna go on. But for now, let's take the doors apart. In order to take this mirror off, we need to take the door panel off. Alright, I got 3 bolts off. Now there's a clip that holds the mirror. We're gonna have to press it down and take the mirror off. Every modern cars have this clip. 3 bolts plus a clip. If you're gonna have to take the mirror off, don't forget about this clip. This clip gets broken easily. Alright, one door is completely disassembled. Let's move in on the passenger side and do the same thing. Alright guys, that's it for this episode. Please like this video, subscribe, also comment down below which project you want to see next. It's gonna be either full-size SUV or a rolled over truck. Which one you want to see? Comment down below. Also, follow me on Instagram as a Salvagemasterv. I'll see you next time.